Hey guys, good morning. Happy Halloween. All right, this is how to make a thumbnail for a YouTube video. This is for doing review videos on YouTube. I said I would go live in the group here. So if you're on here, make sure you say, hey, if you're watching replay, hashtag replay. It really helps out it gets people more active in the group so I can do more in here as you guys are doing more stuff. Okay, so what are we doing here? Okay, so I've given you a bonus page for CB Site Pro. You can get the bonus page for Glean's new Glean Kosky. I'm not Glean Kosky, I'm Glenn Murray. Basically, you can get the bonus page for his product with all the giveaways. Everything's all done for you. It's as a bonus for picking up his 30K copy and paste system, which is only $17. So you get all that, all the bonuses, plus you get lockdown. I got lockdown formula, which is a killer program. You get that one for free. So anyways, I want to show you how to do, and if you guys if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe. But hey, if you're interested in getting the 30K, just message me, whatever. If you're on Facebook, message me. Actually, I put the video in the Facebook group. If you're on YouTube, look at my last videos. It's 30K, and then you can get these bonuses. Okay, so how do you make a thumbnail, a review video thumbnail on for YouTube? Okay, first thing, jump over here to my laptop. Now, you could do it on your phone. I recommend doing it on a laptop, but you could do it on a phone. I'm going to do it on a laptop. I'm not going to do it on the phone because things are small for me. I need big stuff. Okay. So what you do is go to canva.com and you want to get an account or whatever you need to do. It's free. It's totally free. And then you're going to click on this thing right here in the middle, social media. And then what happens is you're going to see these popular designs and you can scroll back and forth with this thing. But right here, YouTube thumbnail. So create blank. So we're just going to create a blank thumbnail. So we're going to go, now you guys don't even have to use your, so I like this one, best mobile games. So this is cool. Got it. So I'm going to replace this image here, right? We don't want that image. So we're going to actually go over to the whatchamacallit, either the sales page or this, right? I'm going to copy image. I think I can just paste it right in there. Paste. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Just pasted it right in. So I'm going to go delete this, the one behind it, trash it. And then I go right here, 30K, copy and paste. And then review. I'm going to put best bonuses right there. I'll stretch this out so it's long. Grab the item. So guys, this is all just built in layers. There, see I've got the black thing. Now I can drag that out. Best bonuses. I'll put an exclamation. And there, guys, that's pretty much it. It's like it's really that simple to do. You want to change the colors of these. You want to, let's see, color right here. Let's make it pop in red. That's the outline. That's the document photo colors. Let's see, default colors. So that's the outline. Do I want to do, okay. How do I change the, see guys, I'm just playing around with it. That's the text color. So it's doing it on the background. Why is it doing outlines? I don't know. Pink, red, green, blue, document colors. So anyways, you can play around with that. To get the inside, what's the inside color? Let's see. It's italic, uppercase, effects, neon, 3D, color, Oh, I know why. This is why. Gotta go like this. There we go. Right? See what I mean, guys? You can totally do it. So if you want to undo what you did, this little thing up here, you can't see it. There's a little undo. You can just go back and undo everything you've done. So there, we're back to this, best bonuses. So now if I want to make this pop, right, I got to select the letters and then I go paste. Oops, why didn't it color it? I don't know, guys. We'll figure it out. Anyways, it's probably the font that's in there. But that's it. And then you basically hit share and you download. And now you've got, it's done. You download, transparent background, whatever. And that's how you make it. Like, it's so simple. That's how you make basically a thumbnail in the thing. And you can use any of these, guys. Just change out whatever you want. Like if you want to change out how to train your puppy, maybe you're doing a review. Anyways, these are all, they're going to be great. Or there's this one, upgrade to use it. So you have to upgrade to use some of the templates. Some of them are free. So anyways, so you just pick the free ones. Like don't worry about if it's not free or not, right? So just do it. There's so many things you can do with it. Play around with it. But that's how I wouldn't think so much about it as opposed to just getting it done and getting it up there. Like, this is the thing. So many people get so bogged down on making things perfect. Don't worry about making things perfect. Make things work quickly, and then you will have it up and going. So let me go back to my program here. Hopefully that's helpful for you. That is how you make a thumbnail. I know it's not the most glamorous thing to do, but that's it. Go get a picture of what you're promoting and use any of the stuff in Canva. Use the free ones. You do not need to upgrade in Canva, guy. You really don't. Once you've made a few of them in there, I use Photoshop because I came from having Photoshop forever. So I do mine in Photoshop, but my wife, who does great stuff, she does everything in Canva for her because Canva's easy and it's done. It's her thing. So that's it, guys. Super easy to use. And then you just put up a review video. How to do a review video, watch up in this corner up here if you're on YouTube. You'll see some review videos. I'll put links to review videos up there. Go up there and watch my review videos, and that's how you basically do a review video. It's very simple. You tell people what it is you're going to be reviewing. You tell them right away. Tell them what the bonuses are you're going to be giving them from the beginning. If you don't have any bonuses, make some or find some or get some. A lot of times when you're promoting a product, they already have bonuses made that you can just copy. Tell them the bonuses they're going to get. Do a review of the sales page. If you have access to the back office, go into the back office and show them around. If you have a demo video, play a demo video. That's a little bit more complicated, but it's not hard. You download the demo video or go to the page that the demo video is on and just play it, and they can watch the demo video. It doesn't have to be perfect, and then give your look at it and give a review of what you think it is. And that's it. And then use the thumbnail, use some hashtags that other people that made a review for that video are using, and put it up. And make sure your affiliate link is in that. Better yet, make sure you have a bonus page link like I give away in my bonuses. So I make bonuses pages to give away bonuses in my bonus pages, in my review pages. It's very confusing. All right, this has been Glenn Murray. This is my channel about tons of reviews, how to do affiliate marketing. If you want to get into my Facebook group, there's links to that below. My number one business, link to that below. Use the, I'm also in my Facebook group. I'm live right now. So if you're in my Facebook group, you know how to get in my Facebook group. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Drop a comment and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.